Hello learners, welcome to Try Right. Today we will be going through arrays and string, their properties and the store data manipulation, that is the various operations performed on the data. To declare and initialize the initialization of data in an array can be done as shown here. Int square braces, open and close square braces, then number equals in curly braces we will be writing 1 2 3 4 anything, any data, 1 2 3 4 like numbers, because this is integer data type, because this is of integer data type. You can very well see that this is of integer data type, so we should be writing only integers inside it, and we are writing only integers. So it's very clear that initialization of array can be done in this form. Yeah, we can access, after doing the initialization, we can do the access of these elements as system.out.println the array names. Here the array name is numbers, and within the square bracket we will be writing 2, then close the brace and then semicolon, and finally the output will be 3. Yeah, very well, you can see that. Just as it's said here, the accessibility of the elements can be done in this way. And to modify the operations of modification can be done as modification can be done as number 2. Suppose number 2 is containing 0 1 2. This is the index value 2 having 3 variable. Now here the value, here it is said the number second not in position, the second element means the element which is having number 2 in it. Number 2 can be replaced by number 10. This is how number at the second position 0 1 2. This is it. Yeah, 0 1 2, second position number. Yeah, 0 1 2 2. The second position number will be replaced by 10. Number 10, 0 1 2, second digit number is replaced by number 10. Now when we look through the array, we have to write for int num if the number belongs to the numbers array. If the number belongs to this array, we have to print that number. We have to print the numbers. Yeah, we will be printing all the numbers, or in this way, or it can be done the other way also, like we have studied earlier, the for loop. For int I equals 1, I less than equal to 10. Yeah, I equals 1 to 10 means I equals 1 to 10. Yeah, and I plus plus. Yeah, here we can print all the values belonging to this elements in array, like by system.out.println system. Wait, we can print all the numbers by system.out.println. Let me write it here only. Yeah, after this we have a enter, and then we have system.out.println. Suppose the array name is numbers here. Numbers. So numbers of I. Here, as the value of I will be increasing first, the value number 1 will be printed first. The array, in the array, the first value contain the first value. What data is contained in A, that will be printed. After that I plus plus, the second data will be printed. After that I plus plus again. In following way up till 10, it will go up to 10 because it is less than and equal to, both the things are there, so it will go up to 10. Yeah, like this. In this way only, the sorting of the array, the sorting in ascending or descending order can be done. Here, for sorting, we have to use the method as we will import this from java.util.array. This array should be imported first, and then the sorting can be done as arrays.sort. Arrays.sort, it's the method. Yeah, sorting, here it will sort in ascending order, means smaller to greater. Here array.sort, and the array name followed by array name. Yeah, if we want to search an element which lies in the array, we will have to do it in the way int index. Int index, if the character is lies here or not. Int index is equal to arrays.binary search, which is the searching of the elements, which is binary search or linear search. Here it can be done in both the ways. In binary search it can be done as int index is equal to arrays.binary search, numbers comma 4, and at the fourth position whatever be the element at the fourth positions, that will be searched and will be returned. Here that will be searched and returned. Copying an array, one array can be copied to other array in the form of, this can be done as int. This is the other way of writing an array. This close braces, square braces could be written before the copy or could be written after the copy. Here it's written before the copy. Int array copy equals arrays.copy of numbers which we are copying. These numbers arrays number, we are copying this numbers array to numbers.length. Yeah, we are copying this array which is having the numbers array and numbers.length array.copy of. We are making a copy of this array having the length. This is the length of that numbers.length, and numbers is the numbers array. Likewise, we have to perform different operations on string. Likewise, we will be performing different operations on the string too. Strings, as we know, they are immutable. So changing the data or operations, that is the operations, can be done on it. So changing the data and operations can be done on it. Yeah. String operations are as follows. The various string operations follows as, we will store and declare and initialize and any variable of the string data type having any value. Here str is the variable name having the string data type. Str is a variable having the string data type, and the value we will be assigning to that is hello world. It can be done like this. This str can be declared or initialized like this. Yeah. Now concatenate a string. Concatenate a string. String concatenation. That is the addition of a string. Concatenation refers to addition of a string. New string. Here the variable name is new string. From this string, this is str value can be concatenated with this symbol. Now in this new string, hello world plus this exclamation symbol. Yeah. Final output will be hello world output. The output will be this hello world. This output will be this hello world, and this concatenation, after concatenation, it will be having this exclamation symbol too. Yeah. Likewise, we can get the length of the string. It can be done as int len. This is the variable name. Len is the variable name, and this is the data type, integer data type. Yeah, any length will be given as integer data type only. And str.length. This is the method to find the string length. So str is the variable name having the string in it, hello world, and it will find the length of this. So initial length before without this exclamation sign, it will be 11. Yeah, 11 only. Now substring. To find the substring, matlab within a string within the other string, a string which is lying within the other string. This is the substring. So here the string name is sub, and the string is the data type. To find, this is the method str dot substring means initial length and final length. Here we are giving the initial length as 0, and final length is 5. Here in hello world 0 is represent H and 5 represent O. H 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 5 1 less than y. 5 less than 1 0. Yeah, this will be the output. This one will be the output. Yeah. Now replace characters. Replace character. If you want to replace any characters present in the string, we will be replace it by this method. Replace is the name of the string, name of this variable name, followed by this data type string, and str.replace. This is the method. Str stands the variable name having the string in it. str.replace, string.replace. That str is the variable. Str is the variable here. Str is the variable also, and str.replace it's the method. Str.replace, str.substring it's the method also. And here we don't need to mention str as a variable name. Str.replace world by Java. Here the world will be replaced by Java. In string to upper or lowercase. Here it can be done by the method str.to uppercase or str.to lowercase. Here if you will do to uppercase, all the characters in this string will be converted to upper letter. Hello world. Here H and W was in capital letter. Now all the things are in capital letter. Yeah, see very well. Hello world. Similarly, str to lowercase, string to lowercase. Here all the letters in that string will be converted to lowercase, small letter character. Yeah. Now splitting a string, string, array, and paths. Paths is a variable and a string is a data type. str.split. This is the method. str.split. Yeah. Split. This split will be followed with this double quotes. This string will be followed with double quotes. Here we know that str string is having the double quotes. So where this will match with, where is it went? Yeah. Where it went? Yeah. Here it is. Now where it matches the value. Yeah. Where it matches the value, there it will form the splitting of these words. Hello is in other is it's a string, it's other string, and world is other string. So both are splitted now. Now check equality. Here string dot equals. This is the method. String dot equals method. Hello world. Check equality. Here they will check the equality of these strings. Here this string is containing a length of letter of word 5, and this string is also containing a word of letter 5. Both are equal, so it will show true. Why? Because both are having equal characters or equal word in the string. So both are equal string. Yeah. Now equals ignore case. It will here not compare. It will not compare. It will ignore case. Means here it will compare both the values depending upon that characters. Here in the same way, it will equals. It will compare first word with first word. Both are in capital letters. And following words are in small letter. That's why it's also true. Here first letter both are in capital letter, followed by all the 4 letters which are in word small letters. Here also all the 4 letters are in small letters. Similarly, string dot equals ignore case. Here it will compare the characters, but it will not compare the characters uppercase or lowercase, but will follow only that same equal characters, number of characters. Yeah, both are having 5 characters only. True, so it's true. Check if a string contains a substring or not. It will check if the string contains a substring or not. str contains world. Yeah, str is a string. Hello string. This is str is containing hello string. str is containing hello world. Yeah, str, and this is containing the word. This is containing world. So its value is true. Now we will be performing an operations. Yeah. So we have read all these operations on this string. Now we will be performing an operations of sorting an array of marks in ascending order in Now we will be performing an operations of sorting an array of marks in ascending order. Sorting an array of marks in ascending order. Sorting an array of marks in ascending order. For this we will be opening Eclipse. For this we will be going to Eclipse. Yeah. Now we will be in this TryWrite folder only. We will be making this program. We will be making this program in TryWrite only. So we will be going to this TryWrite. We will be creating a new, going to the new, then we will be opening a class, very well. Now we will writing a class name, yeah. Can you guess or tell me what should be the class name? Suppose I am telling it as sort marks, yeah. It can be very well written as sort marks. And now we'll be finishing it. Yeah, it's completed. So we can see that it's completed. Now without wasting your time, I will just be making a copy of this program here. Not to save your time, I'll just making a copy of this program. Yeah, the program goes as this. Yeah, the program goes as this. Yeah. So very well, after running this program we'll be finding an output. Oh, showing an error. Why? Okay, we will have to import this also. We have imported this. Now we will be running this program. Yeah, correct. Now whenever there is a red sign, you will move the cursor to that red sign. You will move that blinking line on that straight line, and it will be showing the likewise solutions for it, and you will be performing the different solutions to get the solutions. Yeah. Now we have performed the solutions. Now this array, it is containing the different datas as 85, 92, 67. Marks are as 85, 92, 67. All these marks are arranged in jumble words. Now in ascending sort, it will arrange all these marks in ascending order. Similarly, if these inbuilt functions, this sort inbuilt functions, we are taking the marks in these inbuilt functions. We are taking the marks. We are taking these marks. The array of marks. Now it will be all these marks will be sorted. All these marks will be sorted. All these marks are sorted. When we are taking this to array dot sort, and these marks, this array containing the marks, we are taking this inside this arrays dot sort. And finally, when we are printing the output, these marks, the marks are arranged here in ascending order: 56, 67, 73, 78, 85, 90, and 92. All these are in ascending order. So we have done the string manipulations and array. So now moving to the program, this program, yeah. For sorting this array, we are moving to this program. Here the marks which are taken as 85, 92, 67, 78, 90s, 56, 73 are in a jumbled way. As we have studied the built-in function sort, which will arrange the marks we have studied this marks, that these marks will be arranged in ascending order. This will arranged in here the array of marks, here the array of marks, here the array of marks, array of marks, array of marks are brought here in this sort method. Brought this in this sort method. Yeah, sort marks arrays dot sort dot marks for sorting this array in ascending order. Sorting this array in ascending order. After sorting, the statement will be printed here as this statement will be printed, and after that sorting, after the sorting, this for loop will be generated. For loop is generated where the marks, if these mark lie in this marks array, if these mark lie in this marks array, this will be printed here by system.out.println mark. This mark will be printed on here. Yeah, these mark will be printed here. Yeah, on sorting the arrays, on sorting this array, they can be sorted in ascending order and as printed as 56, 67, 73, 78, 85, 90 and 92. Very well, it's done here. Now here in the program we are taking Java util arrays. We are importing this class from Java util import java.util.array. We are importing this arrays class from Java util, and we are writing similarly. We are writing public class short marks and main state of Java main method line here, and we are initializing an array integer marks array. Here we can write these square braces before the marks or after the marks also, both are correct. Now we are writing it beforehand. Yeah, int square open and close square braces marks equals, we are given the data in the marks, data of the marks 85, 92, 67 in jumble way. Now we are calling this method. Now we are calling an inbuilt method arrays.sort, which is the marks, which helps us in sorting these marks in ascending order, which this arrays.sort marks, this is a method which will sort the given marks, of array in ascending order here. And now finally printing the output for int mark. If the mark lies in the marks, if the mark lies in this marks array, if the mark all the mark lies in the marks array, marks array, yeah, so they can be printed very much easily here. Now if these marks lies in this array, they will be printed here, and we can very well see the output after the sorting. After system.out.println mark, means this mark, and these marks are printed here 56, 67, 73, 78, 85, 90, 92. All are in ascending order. So it's clear now that we can sort all these elements in an array using different methods, using this method, and perform different operations in array on the variables stored in array. Thanks.